about this. You and your friends are casually talking about sneakers, a cafe, or maybe a new gadget. Within hours, Instagram shows you an ad for sneakers. YouTube shows related product reviews, and Google highlights that the bestie. Feels almost like magic, right? Well, it's not magic. That's digital marketing. And that is the reason it is exploding in India and globally. The world has gone online. Traditional marketing, TV, newspaper holdings, etc. no longer capture attention in a meaningful way. Today, brands want to meet their audience where they spend the most of their times. Instagram, YouTube, Google, or even Spotify. And most importantly, digital marketing is not just one skill, it's an umbrella of opportunity. For example, SEO specialists make websites rank high on Google. Social media managers craft content that goes viral, engaging millions of customers. Performance marketers run ad campaigns with huge budgets and track ROI. Content strategists decide which blog, video, or reels will reach the right audience at the right time. And the list doesn't end here, so we'll be covering all the different job roles in the next video. Now here's the exciting part. With just a laptop, internet, and willingness to learn, you can pick up any of the skills like SEO, Google Ads, social media marketing, or content creation. India has over 800 million internet users, and digital ad spending is growing at 30% per year. This booms mean more agencies, startups, MNCs, and e-commerce companies hiring aggressively. And the salaries? Well, freshers can earn up to 3 to 5 lakh per year, while the specialists in paid ads, analytics, or SEO can reach from 8 lakh to 12 lakh per year. Freelancers working with global clients can easily earn more, sometimes in dollars. Another reason this field attracts Gen Z is the flexibility. Unlike traditional 9 to 5 job roles, digital marketing allows remote work, freelancing, or building your own brand. You can experiment, be creative, and get results instantly, which feels way more rewarding than the routine corporate tasks. And here's something that students often overlook. Digital marketing isn't just for the big companies. Startups, e-commerce brands, educational platforms, personal brands, and even NGOs, they all need digital marketers. This diversity gives you room to experiment, explore, and eventually specialize in a niche that perfectly fits your personality and the career goals. So next time an ad pops up exactly when you need it, remember, that's digital marketing in the action. And it's not just a cool trick. It's a career that pays well, offers freedom, and is growing faster than most fields in India today. So if you want to know specific job roles, their salaries, and step-by-step career path in digital marketing, make sure to subscribe our channel, because in the next videos, we'll be talking about everything.